Hi, and welcome to CommBoards Academy. To create a new cell in CommBoards, access the editing mode and click on the New Cell button on the top right corner of the screen. Any new cell can be customized with your image, your voice, assigned to any category, or be turned into a new category and have its own background color. Let's call this new cell Fruit, and then click on the image bank to choose from the variety of images that are pre-built in the app. Next, let's assign the cell to be under the category of To Eat and choose a background color for the cell. Let's save and then tap on the back button in the editing mode to go back to the playground screen. Here we can build a sentence and see that the new cell we've created has been added under the To Eat category. Thanks for watching and see you next time!